And for many Japanese, India was the dreamland because we learned Buddhism from there. So to go to India was almost visiting heaven, and literally, I'm not exaggerating. So since that time, I think it was only natural to see that the relationship between Japan, India, but also together with the US and another major global democracy in our region, Australia, to flourish. I was very heartened to hear from the ambassador as well as previous speakers about key areas that all these countries can cooperate. And one of the, among many, but 4 key areas that were stipulated and agreed among the Quad leaders are on issues like climate change, reliable supply chain, also provision of vaccination, and also how to tackle disaster risk mitigations. All of our countries, 4 of us, are suffering from many aspects of climate change that have transformed into natural disasters. And all these are the key areas that we feel there's a great potential for all 4 nations to work together.